using 4 arithmetic operators. We can use many arithmetic operators in Excel to perform mathematical calculations. The most basic operator widely used are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Steps to perform addition. Place the cursor on the cell B2 and type 85. Press Enter key and move the cursor to cell B3 and type 75. Press Enter to move to cell B4 and type equal to B2 plus B3 in that cell. The content of cell B2 and B3 will be added in B4. Using Auto Sum. The Auto Sum is the feature of Excel that helps us to do the addition. The Auto Sum button on the standard toolbar automatically adds the values in the destination cell or to the left of the destination cell. Steps to apply Auto Sum. Click on the destination cell, that is, the cell in which the result is to be displayed. Click on the Auto Sum button, which is located on the standard toolbar. The cells containing the numbers to be added automatically should now be highlighted. Press Enter to see the result in the destination cell.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.